I used to attend to a different school, North Mech, and I was in an IB program, and I didn't really like how that was going on. And I saw that this school had the ROC, which was construction, and I saw their page. I was like, well, it's pretty cool, and I like to start off young. I'm more of like a visual learner type of person, and sometimes even somebody just talking about it, like I still can't visualize it that well unless somebody like either draws it or shows us like hand by hand. That's like just the main challenge that I was facing. I felt here I was able to like learn something that I would want to do in the future. So that's why I just switched over to schools. So I entered for MSS. So it's also an HVAC company, but I was working at a warehouse. At first, it was I hate to admit it, but it was like really a pain because I didn't really like waking up early. So but then also like once you get used to it, like your body adapts and it's like you just gotta change your mindset on things. So like first you're like, oh, I don't want to be here, but no, if you change it to, oh, I could learn from this, or this might be my future or a stepping stone of my future. From there, it's just like you could just make things fun in your own way.